Hello, I'm Dr. Minal Kapasi from Vadodara, Gujarat, and I have visited this course recently in Mumbai by Dr. Aslam and Dr. Mithun Jit, and I'm very glad that I have not made a mistake. Like, it's completely different from the other veneer courses I have attended. Like, you will find their logo or their slogan is "Unleash the future from virtual to real world." So we can see directly, we can see physically the same thing happening in front of our eyes. We can see that called a patient, a practical demonstration was given from beginning to end, from assessment to the luting of the veneers. The entire process we have been watching with naked eyes and with all the details. And after that there was a demonstration, lot of academic informations were given, and at the end the most important part was hands-on. And I must say, Dr. Mithun, he is a very great guy, and I might be practicing for double years than or more than double years than him, but the information which he provided, he is helping each and every student by holding the hands, and they actually show you how to move your arotor, handpiece, or how to move your burr. So this much of detail, if you are getting in this kind of course, I would recommend to each and every fresher, and also the clinicians like us who are doing it for years but who wants to brush up to the newer age. So I strongly recommend that course.